today's video, you guys are gonna see me get ready to move into my dorm. This pillow really has lint everywhere. We have a pet dog, y'all.
I got no damn dog.
But we're on the road now. It's a 2-hour drive. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the school. I just got my key for the school. So we're just waiting for the people up there to come bring the carts, and then we'll just fill all this stuff inside of them. So we might have to take like 2 or 3 trips.
Why we got to take 2 or 3?
I give it 3 at the most, because I do have a good, decent amount of stuff. Yeah, I look rough, y'all. I don't know if I'm post this.
Look rough. She looks dark.
We're the same complexion. No. I'm lighter than you, though.
I see darkness.
Okay, so we made it to the front. Now we're just waiting for somebody to bring an empty cart to us so we can fill this stuff up. So you can tell by my hair that it's been a long day, and it's not even 1 o'clock yet. What time is it? But we just finished putting everything up.
It's 1:30.
Oh, it's 1:30. Y'all look at my hair. But we just finished putting everything up. Now I'm about to go get some more stuff that I need, and then we're gonna go get something to eat. So my mom's about to leave. Yeah. Where is she? So my mom is leaving me now, guys. Are you gonna miss me?
Yeah, no, yes and no.
She gonna miss me, y'all.
No, I'm not.
This is the campus, though. It's no. Y'all, my mama leaving me.
At this moment, she knew she messed up.
Who messed up?
Me.
Oh, what? You
Going to
school. Just kidding. I'm gonna have fun, guys. Can't wait. It's over. No count. So, if y'all was watching in previous videos, y'all know I was currently moving into my dorm. I'm finally finished packing. I unpacked everything. And yeah, so I'm just gonna give y'all a little tour. And that's gonna be the end of the video. So this is the hall I stay on. They decorated it so nice. They did a Africa theme. This is my name. Look at the underneath. And these are my roommates. Y'all, I looked up. I got my own room. So Kimberly and Serena, they share a room, but I got the room to myself. So I just walk in. And that's their room. This is mine. This is the bathroom part. Oh, this is my side. That's their side. This is their bathroom, their door. This is my bathroom that I just want to myself. So I decided to go with like a pink peach theme. But I like these. I got these from Pure One Imports. Both of them were $18. And I decided to go with the white and the color of the shower curtain. This is a stall. It's a nice shower. And I got this thing up on the door for my towel. But yeah, that's the bathroom. So this is the other side that there's nobody living on. I looked up, like I said, and I got my own room. People keep telling me to put this bed to the other side. So I was like, no. But this is my side, guys. Comment down below what you think. I'm not fully done. I want to add some more pictures and some more lights. But yeah, this is the first little glance. It's drawers under the bed, and I got two of these. It's one more right here of that, and I got some of my products and hair products and all that stuff under the bed as well. That's my fridge. This is my closet. It's not that big. That's my mannequin head for my wigs, but it's not that big, but it's like a decent size. And if nobody ends up coming in this room, I'm gonna end up using this side. No cap. I have a laundry basket, and my shoes are all in this box. But yeah, this is my side, guys. Most of this stuff I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. That's where I'm currently employed. Well, not anymore, but yeah. Got this mirror from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got this from Walmart, and I bought these markers separately. But yeah, I really like it. This is what I pictured, and I'm so in love. That's the UGG carpet. But yeah, y'all comment down below if y'all like it, the final outcome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next